Well, this is a sad day. The last good bucket I had for these old dehumidifiers just broke. It's very, very rare, but sometimes old things break. It's very rare, but it happened. Let's see what the problem is here. Hopefully I can fix it. It's leaking out fast. Oh, this is all zoomed in here. That's no good. Oh, I see what the problem is. Huh. Well, that should be easy to fix. It's kind of odd that that broke, but I can fix that. See, at least when old stuff breaks, it can usually be fixed. And it's kind of a mess now. There's water all over the floor in here. It's kind of ironic because the equipment that's supposed to be drying out is making damp. Oh, it's dry in here, I'll give it that much. Can't even breathe correctly. Oh wow. It put a lot of water on the floor. Not good. You know, when I was doing good tonight, I was going to get to sleep early. And then I walked in here and I saw this mess. There goes that. Well, that stinks because I don't have any more good buckets. I don't know what is with those machines, but the buckets, they seem to break a lot. I have to move this machine down here and run this in there, dry out the floor. Can't have stinking water everywhere like that. That's a shame. I think that'll be easy to fix, but that is a shame. It's a nice machine too. And of course, it's worth noting that the internal mechanics of the machine outlived something as simple as the plastic bucket. That certainly speaks volumes about the equipment. Oh, we got this one here. We should empty it out before I set it up for the night. It's getting kind of grungy in there. I gotta clean that out. Trouble getting this back in there because the foam float is caught in the bucket and doesn't go in right. Alright, check this on. Jeez, I am really disappointed about this. That's really odd. And why all of a sudden would that just break through like that? That is really odd. Well, I've been needing to find a different solution for these buckets anyways, because I have 2 units, only 1 bucket, so maybe it's time to just stop using those buckets entirely and develop a new solution. this is a new carpet too. And now it's all full of water here. And who knows how deep down it went. Been running like that for hours. Well, if that's the worst that happens, not so bad. You know, if a modern dehumidifier fails, it like catches on fire or something crazy. A little bit of water spill. I mean, that's the worst failure mode it does, then can't complain. You can clean up a little bit of water spill. Alright, well, there's a lot of water in there, so just let that machine run all night, dry that out. Of course, now it's going to heat up the bedroom, so I have to put this on. I'll be sweating all night. 40 years and counting. Here we go. Works fine, of course. Good stuff. Okay, well, minor failure. Fix it another day.